today we're gonna be doing an awesome ski budget on my that thing. Avalanche channels. Yes, I did it! And for you guys, a surprise. Oh, naku, naangay siya ba? Pilipinas.
So, paano nga ba mag-take ng tax before is 15,000 more ang tax refund. Make sure to always keep your passport with you. Kung ng tax or tax refund, magtanong ka sa cashier if may immediate tax refund sila. Minsan yung immediate, ibabawas na yan agad sa babayaran mo. At ang immediate tax refund talaga sa areas like Hong Kong, and
그리고 원래 한번 잠이 들면 지지.
I'm a mermaid. Hey, this is my job. If the man says I can't find you.
지은 씨는 더 피곤해.
Hey guys, that's it for today. Bye bye.